Welcome aboard, Flight Crew, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us today.
We are going to do something you guys have asked us to do several times over. We asked you guys for recommendations of what kind of videos you'd want us to film. And the #1 pick you guys had was Star Wars food. So between the movies and The Mandalorian, even the first time that you saw Blue Milk in A New Hope, it's always been a big part of the Star Wars universe. We decided to do a drink because I may not be a chef, but I've got about 10 years of barista experience under my belt. So I'm gonna make us a Blue Milk hot chocolate. So I actually didn't find out about this tea until we read the Galaxy's Edge cookbook. So they recommended this for their like blue bantha chai tea, which you can buy on Amazon. So we're gonna do half parts of the blue pea tea. About, we've got some hot oat milk. So their blue milk and their green milk are both plant-based. So I decided just to stick with the theme. You can use whatever milk you like. So now it's definitely the color of the blue milk that you get at Galaxy's Edge, or that you see in A New Hope or Rogue One. And then this is white cocoa powder. So I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of that, just because we want to combat a little bit of the bitterness of the sweet pea tea. This isn't a cooking channel. All right, 4. Just dump. I know that's what they do on the cookie channels. It's already pre-measured and they just dump it in, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, and then we're gonna be adding some coconut syrup, just because the blue milk at Galaxy's Edge does have that coconut flavor. So I wanted to bring some of that back in. So this is a very sugary drink, guys, so get ready. Hold on to your butts.
Hold on to your butts.
That's Jurassic Park. This is about to fry your circuits. Make sure you stir it really well because there is a lot of cocoa powder in there and you don't want it to kind of clump up at the bottom. Try not to stir your stuff like this. You want to kind of like shake it, like kind of, you're going to do this motion at the bottom. And that kind of helps mix everything together. If you just do like this, you're going to get clumps.
I did not know that.
Yeah, you know.
I'm always wondering why everything I make has clumps in it.
Everything you make has clumps in it. Make it extra out of this world. Some cream topping, some green milk cream topping. So there's like the bantha milk, and then this was, what was the creature called again? Siren?
Yeah, those big sea cow creatures.
The sea cow. So the last piece we're gonna add to it is, because it's Star Wars, we're gonna add some spice. A dash of nutmeg on top. Don't use too much.
Why not?
It's deadly.
Oh, you get those spice eyes.
Yeah.
This looks so delicious, Ashley.
Hope you like it.
Oh, it's good because it was so cold on the top, but then it's nice and warm perfectly underneath, so you get those 2 different flavors.
That's what you do with cold whipped cream on your hot chocolate, Brian.
Oh, I put whipped cream on my hot chocolate. It tastes so
I'm glad
good.
you like it though.
Oh, that tastes delicious. You gotta try it.
Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the Star Wars Blue Milk Hot Chocolate recipe video. And if you guys try it out yourselves, make sure to follow us on Ash and Bryan and tag us in your stories and your posts. And definitely let us know if you've made any improvements to the recipe, because I would love to hear about that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.